How to borrow money from the Cash App or Cash App website or the Cash App application. How you can do more with your money or how you can get a loan from Cash App. Here is how to get a loan from Cash App. The steps are given below. You have to follow them. The first one is open the Cash App on your iPhone or Android device wherever you're using and tap on the money icon in the bottom left corner. After that, the third step will be you have to select the borrow button in the more ways to add menu or add money the menu. Tap get started to receive your loan terms. Select the sum you want to borrow like 10,000, 20,000 and any amount. Choose your repayment plan, review your loan and accept the loan and get your funds instantly if your loan gets approved. Some of you might say, well, I don't have a borrow button, now what? So you don't have to do anything, simply call the customer care of Cash App and ask if you have any pre-approved loan offer for you. This is the video. Thank you so much.